Hi, welcome again. Last video we have seen about the two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array, what is array, how it, the position of array, how to set the value for an array, how to print the array, all those things. So this is three-dimensional array we have seen last video. So let's see. Now we are going to see about the while loop, how the while loop will work, and how it is useful for us in coding. Okay, so we are going to name it as while loop. While loop, the syntax of while loop is while, and this may be some conditions. Okay, and this one condition. The condition is right, so the conditions will be true. Condition will be true means the loop will loop, or if the condition is false means it will break. Okay, so this is the thing in a while loop. Basically while loop what will do is the same thing. If we want to loop something, if we want to do some more process, repetition process again and again until particular point it need to be attains a particular point means we will use while case condition. While condition, it's like last case we see array list, right? So array, right? So we just create one array. Number array is equal to, we'll create don't want to create, we just new int and we'll give 10. So I am giving the size of 10 arrays. So I just add the array in here. It's like number array. It not be number array. So just I will give you this is just little complicated example. So I let give you one small example. Like I will create one integer I is equal to 0. Okay, I am giving here the condition of I is equal to 5. I is equal to 5, the loop will break. Okay, so I am giving I plus plus here. So what thing is, each time the loop loops, the I will be see. We will print the I over here, so you can saw what will be the output. Okay, so this is how now I am just running the program. So you can see the system dot I while loop is equal to 5 is always false, which means this condition must be true. As I said, here the condition is false. Okay, so the thing is, the condition is true means it will come inside. So let I am giving I less than or equal to 5, which means now I is 0 while coming, it is comparing to 5. So the operation, it means the JW, the computer will basically we will fix that is computer. The computer will see the I is less than 5 or not. So it is less than 5, so get inside. This is like a door. Just assume this is a door. You have a pass of I less than 5. Your pass, this I pass is less than 5 means, just imagine this is the age. This is you. I is you or member. Member is coming, and if it is less than 5 means we are entering inside. So it is checking the I, and it is less than 5 means it is getting inside. See, it is 0. First is 0 and 1 2 3 4 5, and after 5 it is not entering, it is breaking the right. Okay, this is what will happen every time. This is while loop. If this is true, it will break. This is not true, it won't break. Okay, so this must be the one. Then it will have one. As I said, this is a keyword, right? Condition. So if is equal to 2, it is continue. So the point is, the continue will what the continue will do. First I will run this one. Let's see, it is an infinity loop. So let's stop the one. Okay, so the point is, the continue what will do is it will skip the process. skip the one process, which means if the it will break, normally the break will do, it will break the whole loop. Okay, if you add break, it will break the loop. It will break the loop means if the condition of if I is equal to 2 means if I is equal to 2 means the loop will break. After 2 it won't run anything. That's what the break will be. See, 1 2, if I is equal to 2 it won't break. So like that, continue keyword what will do, this is break, this break will used to break the whole loop. It will exit from the loop, but continue it won't do like that. What the continue will use for, it will exit the only one loop, only one cycle, only one cycle. If I am coming to y is equal to, so let me command the break, and this I plus plus I am entering inside. Okay, plus this continue. Okay, so this to be here. Okay, I don't want to here, I'll put us here. Okay, here, and this system I will use that in the bottom. So first of all I will run this one without this. Okay, this is running 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, because after incrementing we are printing the 1, that's why in previous case it is 0 to 1, now it is 0. So let's see with continue. So if it is continue, what will happen? So it will skip the 2, only the 2, because y is equal to true, it will break. After this continue, the no code inside the loop will not work. It will skip directly to the next loop, which is again it will come here, again it will I plus plus I is equal to 3. That's what this continue will do. This is the keyword we were using in all the loops, like for loop, if loop, for each. Also we can use this continue and break. To two things, this will break the one loop, this will break the whole while loop. Okay, this is all while, and we have one more thing like do while also. Do while is nothing but first it will do something and it will wait for the response. It's like we are having here, right? So this is always true. He's saying less than 5 is always true. I don't know, it won't do like that. It is not always true actually. Okay, now let's see. I will remove this do while. So before that it will check the condition and increment and do this one. But here this is also give the same output, but the output will be this. So the difference between that while and this while I am showing here. Okay, so we change one more, we will add one more variable here, the same input, the y. So here also y, I am printing the same thing. Okay, this is from do this is from normal while. Okay, this is for your separation, this is y. Okay, let's run this one. So y less than 5, less than or equal to 5 is always true, because we incrementing y. Okay, now we are incrementing I, so here is also I. I think you understand the continue statement. We don't need continue statement right now, we just differentiating the do while and while right now. Okay, I am running here. So see, there is 1 3 4 5 6. So this is also continue statement, we don't need this continue statement. Okay, just run the continue statement. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so what will happen now? I am saying y less than or equal to 0. Here also the same condition, I less than or is equal to 0. Okay, same condition, is equal to 0, is equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. Same thing, I am changing the value. Now run. So do will write 1, while also will write 1. So the point is, this is less than or equal to 0. Equal to also it will come again, is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so now I took this one. Okay, do while will won't run because it will run this one first and check for the condition. Okay, this will check for the condition and run. So the both difference is, without checking the condition it will run once, it will run only after checking the condition. Okay, you have something to do first, after that you have to check the condition, means you can use do while. No, I want to first check the condition, after that I want to do, means you can use the while. Okay, that's it for do while, and next we will see for loop, what is for loop. And thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts let me know in comment. You can contact me in Instagram, as well as in my website. You can contact me through the mails. Thank you.